It's time to return back the chiller. All is new. It's time to return back. So now it's working the two chiller. Before it's not working, only one chiller. Chiller number one's working. Now it's good condition because of the weather is coming hot. So that's why I need to good condition all the chiller, all the AC. This is Season Marine. So much job to for how many weeks? Before last week's troubleshooting also because the engine is not working. So now it's final. It's working. Only the balance is the gangway. This is the gangway hydraulic. So this is the chiller one. Chiller number two is this one. This one. How are you, Mr. Salam? He's the master, Mr. Salam, number one. Season Marine team. This is number two, number three, number four, and I'm number five.
Number 6.
Number six, Josh there. Species Josh. Josh is cooking time. Cooking time. See, look at my YouTube channel. All Season Marine here.
Only season pa rin.
Yeah.
Wala. Wala. Adik kami yun. Adik.